Alright, so we've made this family so far in the previous videos, so you can see it's a sort of rig based family, and now we're going to apply it to a surface. Okay, then we'll come back on the last video and sort of fiddle around with different options of things that you can do once you have this rig set up. So I'm just going to come under my file and go to new conceptual mass, use the mass RFT template, open that guy up, and I'm going to come in and just create a surface down here to apply this to. So I'm going to go to reference rectangle, make sure it's set to level 1 and draw on work plane, left click, modify to stop the rectangle command, select the item and create form, select just the surface here. Or actually let's do a different application. We did that on the other one. Let's do a reference spline here, and I'm just going to draw a spline on this level 1, and I'm going to pick it and go to create form, and it's going to pop that guy up in the air, and we'll make it, I don't know, 60 feet tall, right? So then we'll just pick that and divide it and turn on the surface representation nodes. So that's what we have. Okay, so we spin around and look at that. So now I'm going to use Control Tab to get back to my family, and I'm going to go ahead and save this first so it has a name, and we'll name this CIR, and we'll call it angle video. Okay, and I'm just going to load this into the project, and it'll come in and it'll want me to place this guy. So I'm going to come in and go 1, 2, 3, 4. So really all you can see is that circle. All the reference lines are invisible when you place them in the family. So if I pick that, that's the type 1. Let's look at the type 2. That one's a little bigger, so let's go ahead and use that one. So I'll pick that and repeat it. So you'll see it place all those circles out there, and the base of those circles is coming from the center of each one of those, right? It's just an angle is canting it. If I pick this, I can still go to edit type, and I could, for this type 2, I could say, oh, I don't want that to be 32 degrees, I want it to be 0. And if I hit apply, right, now they're all curving along with that guy, so you can adjust them. Okay, so that's the application of it. In the next video, we'll go back to the family and sort of fiddle around with some of the things that you may or may not want to do with this rig.